Welcome back, everyone. It's Kathy with Bridges Stamping. Today I have a massive unboxing of my items from the holiday catalog and some things I wanted from the annual catalog. Now normally I'll put the box under the camera, but this box is so massive and so heavy, I figured I would just lift things out and show them to you under the camera. I do have a pair of scissors ready to open up some packets of paper, so we'll see how that goes. I think I'm going to start with the ribbon. Got 3 different ones. This is the chevron weave ribbon. This is the evening evergreen. This came with the Tidings suite that I ordered. I also got this black and white gingham ribbon. Sorry, you want to see the ribbon, not the box. Okay, and then I got the white Organi ribbon. I am a big fan. I have the black ribbon, which I'm reaching for. Just don't mind my cue. And I just love how this is such a nice, versatile ribbon, and now to have it in white is really cool. Okay, now we'll start with the stamp sets because those are the things that are on top of the box. I got the Pretty Pumpkins bundle. It also has matching dies, and actually I pulled the right ones right off the top of the box. Just bear with me as I open up the dies. I'm gonna have to get some more magnetic backing for all the dies. So look at that, that is really cool. So it cuts out the pumpkins, and you've got these really pretty detailed pumpkin dies. That's gonna be fun to play with. Okay, the second thing I got, isn't this so cute? It's the cutest Halloween. I said in my last video that the theme this season was cute, and look, it comes with a punch. And I love punch bundles because you don't need a machine, you just need the punch and your stamp set and you're good to go. Okay, also on the cute theme, look at that. Look at that. Oh, can you see that little Santa? He's so cute. And then, okay, so here, this is the Tidings and Trimmings bundle, which I purchased. And they also have matching dies as well. So lately now when I buy a stamp set, if they have matching dies, I will purchase the matching dies. So this has got these really intricate stamps, and there are some really intricate dies in here as well. That's really cool. Okay, move them off to the side. I did get the Candy Canes background stamp. I'm really gotten into these larger stamps now that I have my Stamparatus. I can make some really cool cards with them. And then I wanted to show you something, well, as we're going from the top of the box to the bottom. So this is in the annual catalog, the Shaded Summer Stamp Set, which I did overlook. However, Celebration, which starts in August, you can get the matching dies for this stamp set. I believe it's free with a $50 purchase. It might be a $100 purchase. I don't have the catalog in front of me. I would have to check, but it's a really great opportunity. Remember I said getting your stamp set and then the matching dies. So if you own this stamp set or you're interested in this stamp set, now you can get, and then these are just gorgeous. You can make these little flowers and detailed backgrounds. I love that. That's gonna be really fun to play with. And these are some really nice thank you sentiments in here. May the good you do come back to you, above and beyond you go there a lot. That's gonna be great for some thank you cards for teachers. Okay, what else did I get? Okay, sweet little stockings. This is also bundled with dies. Make sure I got the right stocking dies. I think this is the last set of dies that I have, so the last time you're gonna hear me opening that up. Look at that. So like they have the little doggy, the cat, and the hamster, and you can put them in any one of these little stockings. They each have a die to cut them out. It's so cute. And well, the suite comes with matching paper that is to die for. It's on the bottom, so I'll show you all the paper together. We're just going to go through the stamp sets first. The next one I got was the Holly Jolly Wishes. I thought this would be great to use with the Be Jolly stamp set, the Santa pictures and some of these large sentiments. These are really nice, especially with that background stamp. Maybe use the candy canes and then just a big Merry Christmas to you on a label in the middle. That's going to be fun. Okay, what else did I get? Okay, I did get, this is something I've wanted a long time. This is the Sweet Strawberry Punch Bundle. It had been back ordered forever, and I saved it for this order, and I'm finally can make some really cool cards with this. Not right away because it's Christmas in July, right? So we're going to be focusing on Christmas right now. This is another thing I got from the annual catalog. I wanted these big sentiments. Okay, now this set, the Delicate Dahlias, this is from Celebration. It's one of the items I got from Celebration. The dies, and the rest is all paper. If you see you can't see the box, but it's a good 2 inches are filled with paper. But these are going to be fun to play with. Oh, it's two. Oh, okay. So they have when it's 2 sets, they have it on both sides. I was wondering how they were going to handle that now that they're printing the stamp sets on the inside of the cases. Okay, so that's a Celebration item. Do you know what it also is a Celebration item? I talked about glitter paper in my last video because I had used some glitter paper that I had, but this is free with a $50 purchase. Somebody said it looked like a disco ball. It does look like a disco ball. Wow. Oh my gosh, the shine on this is incredible. That's really cool. Oh, you can make so many really neat holiday cards. You've got that star out from that stocking set. Okay, and then this is, I don't want this video to get too long. There's so much paper to look at. Okay, so this is just, I actually got this to use with my poinsettia stamps and dies. They're these little gold leaves. They're really pretty. I'm just gonna make some interesting cards. Don't want to lose them. Don't go anywhere. Okay. All right, it's paper time. There's so much paper. Okay, we're gonna start with, now I didn't order the sweet, but I ordered the paper. This is the gingerbread and peppermint paper at 6x6, and I do not want to cut the paper. There's so much of it, and I've seen some unboxings online. This is what's actually sold me on the paper, because you've got these beautiful big images where you can make cards, and then you've got the really subtle backs. I should keep a couple like that. Okay, and then they're just really neat. Like this one doesn't even have to be a Christmas card, right? Oh, the polka dots. They're really cool. Oh, and it looks like icing and gingerbread. And like you can cut out these little Christmas trees. And once again, it looks like gingerbread, candy, peppermint candies. I'm gonna try to flip through it a little bit faster. Although that's a nice little background. This will make some really cute cards. You can cut them out, and then I think we have one more pattern. Oh nope, 2 more. Okay. Because the stripes are really nice. You can do a lot with those stripes. It does not have to be Christmas. More candy and more stripes. Okay. That's gonna be so fun to play with. Okay. All right, let me, in case I have to cut this short, this is the Sweet Stockings Designer Series paper. Look at that dog. You know me, I have to have all the dog sets. I think, as I said, I'm only missing Happy Tails. So, but I think I have all the other dog sets that were ever made. So this will go a little bit quicker because it's 12 by 12. Okay, so, and then I saw some really cool cards where people were cutting out the, not fussy cutting, but cutting out the dog with like a square die and making scenes, which were pretty cool. So we're gonna do something like that. And here's all the animals in their stockings. And the backgrounds are just the back sides are just kind of generic patterns. Look at that, angry cat. Bigger, these, the dies can cut these out. And I do like that star paper. And then what else do I have? Oh, the little corgi. Oh, I fell in love with this little corgi. So cute. And look at the little goldfish. And then back of that. Oh, sorry about that camera. I'm a little too close for the paper. And then these lights. That'll make some really cool cards. And this is a pool party is one of the colors. So it's a, once again, don't have to use it for Christmas. Okay. This, I'm running out of room on my desk. Okay. Let's see. All right. This is the cute Halloween paper. This is kind of why I bought the cute Halloween set. I fell in love with this paper. I love making Halloween cards. I might have to make a tradition of actually sending out Halloween cards to people. I'm not going to take it all out to avoid what last time, but first of all, you know, I love purple. I love that those generic, the backgrounds, and then these here you can cut out with the punch. So you can cut out the little pumpkin, little kitty cat, and that black and white is really cool. So make some really cool backgrounds. Here's the bat. And ooh, that's like a cool color. Oh, look at this. That's really neat. And then they're polka dots. I thought they were teeny tiny pumpkins. That's really cool. The happy little skulls. I actually have somebody in mind, my niece, who would love those little skulls. And look at the little haunted houses. Backside of that, more skulls and ghosts. And then there's like a rainbow pattern, and that's pretty cool. Once again, this one doesn't have to be used for Halloween at all, so that's pretty cool. Okay, move that to the side, and let's see. Okay, so I've got, this is the Tidings of Christmas. This is the suite that is in, just rip that open, that is in the annual catalog. But I shouldn't have done it that way. All right. So I like these because they have that nice deep green to it. Oh, that's beautiful. That can make some really nice masculine cards, not Christmas related. Oh, I love the holly. Oh, that's pretty. That's soft succulent. This, more stripes, a lot of stripes. So you can make some really generic masculine cards with the stripes that are not Christmas. Oh, I love that. Those are itty bitty. Can you see? There's snowflakes on here, very tiny snowflakes. And then, okay, I'm kind of rushing because there's a paper I really want to show you, the iridescent paper, and I'm just like, I just get through this paper till I get to the iridescent paper. Okay, there. That's really cool. I can make a lot of cards with that. Okay, and I'm going to, where is it? It's here. Okay, so this paper I've been dying to open. This is the Whimsy and Wonder 12 by 12. It's a specialty paper. You can tell because it comes in a nicer container. Okay. This. I'm really running out of room. Okay. So we have this beautiful, and it's like, it reminds me of those things if you were around in the 80s, everything was hologram. That's kind of like what's on here, with the little holly is traced in the hologram. The backgrounds are more neutral. I guess that's polished pink. I love the trees. Look at these trees. I'm definitely going to be cutting them out and using them on some cards. It's my plan anyway. And it's I think that's soft succulent. It's a beautiful like light green. It's like soft. And the gifts, these can definitely be cut out and made like a little texture on the card there. And look at this. It's stripes, but it's all rainbow stripes. This would be fun with like with almost anything, I think. And the back of that is, and then this, you know what, it's funny because I'm not a big fan of this pattern, but I love that Misty Moonlight, and this is, if you can see it, with little trees and stars. I can actually see myself using actually the back of one of those papers, because for the most part I will not be using the back. Now I have 2 more sets of papers. How am I doing on time? Okay. Now these 2 papers that I have are also celebration items. Actually, I'm not going to look at this one in this video. Does not go with my theme, but this is, it's the beautifully penned. It's the same one as the handwritten paper, but it's the black and white versions of them. Celebration item, free with a $50 purchase. Now this, oh wait, I bought more black glimmer paper. Let's see, this one is the Peaceful Prince. Now, I didn't buy it's a punch bundle in the catalog, but I got the paper from Celebration because I saw, once again, people making, you can just cut out this little deer using a die, like a square die or a circle die, or rectangle or something stitched, and use that on your card. Trying, as I'm running so much out of room, I'm bumping into my things. And there's that gingham. Is this gingham? I'm not sure. It's like trees. Those are good for neutral backgrounds. You can cut out like the deer on there. More stripes, more candy cane stripes. The red snowflakes, or we made some red snowflakes last week. Pretty, once again, neutral background. These green trees. And then this is where you would pop up one of those really big sentiments from like that Jolly Christmas set that I showed early on. That would go really well with this. I'm just trying to get to the back. This is, I'm not sure which green this is. This is not even evergreen or soft succulent. I'll tell you in a second. And then this is a, there are all these little deer on Sahara sand. And then, let me just, oh, that's pretty. I like that. Okay, so the green is garden green. Okay, basic black, cherry cobbler, garden green, real red, and Sahara sand. And that's, once again, with Celebration. Sorry for the length of this video. Check back in on next week, and I'll actually be making cards with some of these items. Have a great day. Stamp on.